Hello everyone, Ultra Cake Fate here and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I've got the Lego City magazine and today I'm going to do a review of it. So let's get started. So let's start off by opening this. Oh no, I'm ripping. Okay, I'll come back to that. And let's get straight into the magazine. So on the first page, the Lego advertising the Lego City Mounted Police, which released on New Year's Day. There's the content, and then there's some activities to do with footprints and mountain tracking. Then here's a comic. Okay, so if you're watching the video, please do pause if you want to read it. Okay, then we move on to the next page if you want to read that as well. And if you want to do the hidden robbers activity as well. Okay, and then continuing, if you want to read that as well. Okay, next page. We got like a maze type thing through the mountains. And yeah, next page. Okay, if you want to pause it. And then on to the next one. We've got a quad repair, which we'll come back to that when we're making the bike thingy. And then here's a part of a poster as well. There's an activity if you want to do that. And then the next, there's another page, 2 pages of the comic. Okay, moving on. There's some more advertisements for off-road chase, mountain arrest, wild river escape, dirt road pursuit. Another comic page. By the way, this is all part of the same comic as well, just to let you know. And then here's a test about passing the mountain police exam test thingy. Okay, moving on. There's another comic. I mean, most of this magazine is just a comic, so nothing too exciting. And then the last page. And then there's a Lego City advertisement as well. And then out on 4th of April is another Lego City magazine, a miner with a pickaxe, plus a blasting device. And on the final page is a Lego City matching game. Okay, so now let's try and see if we can peacefully open it. How about we... Okay, I'll just be back in a minute with the scissors. In the meantime, I mean, you can just look at the thing. Just be back with the scissors. Okay, I'm back. So, here are the scissors. Sorry for the delay. But now it's time for the fun part. So, hoping I don't rip up any pieces. Okay, you can see the handcuffs. Okay, is that all? Okay, let's move them all to the side. No missing pieces. Okay, there's still some here. Yeah, okay, so that's all of them. Don't need the scissors. Now let's turn to the quad repair and let's actually build the bike live. Turn to the quad repair. First, let's start off by building the minifigure. So, where's his legs? So we straighten out his legs. So Lego is quite stiff when you first start building with it. And so, it's like this. Gosh, it's really hard actually. And then the handcuffs. Oh wait, first the cap. Okay, and then handcuffs, catching robbers. I'm just going to come back to that. Okay, start off with this piece and this piece. So we join these together. Then we connect this 2x4 base plate thingy along with another one of them. So we've got this, and we take this out, and then we just join these together. Oops. These together if they would like to fit, which I hope they do. And then we just place these two things on top. And so, wait, hold on. Yep, we're working on it. Okay, now we need to remove those. Okay. I mean, they're stuck onto each. Okay. They're stuck up to each other, that's what I was trying to say. Put them on. And then we get this thing, place it here. Get this thing, place this here. Oh, now we're getting a real body going. Then we place these, they're actually called jumper plates, as far as I know, as far as I'm concerned. Bumper plates. And then we place one of these things, oops, here. Another one here. Also remembering to place this piece in. We're almost done. So then go here. I do believe we attach the stick. Oh well, it goes forward. Okay. It's gonna stay like about here. Then that's fine. Okay, there. And then there's that steering wheel thingy. Oh, okay, it's meant to go on like this. So you can move it, but I want to keep it straight at the moment. And then the wheels. Oh no, I hate the wheels. I literally hate the wheels. These wheels are hard to do. Okay, so that's one wheel. We can place over here hybrid wheels, if they can even go on. And no, that piece no. Let's get another one. Okay, maybe going from the middle would be easier. Place them here. These wheels, they say this set is like 5+. Can't even build it. Okay, I think the second one is locking down. Seriously, these wheels. I'm really confused with these wheels. They are just... Okay. Halfway there. The wheels. Hold the bottom. Okay, so we're getting that. Guessing we just need to put force into it. Okay. This final one, I think we should go from the other side because the other side's easier. Okay, there. There's that. There's the quad bike, as it's called. Let's place these cups in, and then we place them in there, and then we finish the review and the building. If we can, maybe we do the other way. Okay. Okay, so let's just end the video finishing building this. So thank you all very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. So please subscribe for more and like the video if you're new. And I will see you all later. If I can even sigh. Okay, phew. Finally. And the final piece, and we can sit him down. And he doesn't even fit in it. Okay, well, that's nice to know. Okay, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.